Welcome to the Daily Database Insights, and in this video I'm gonna walk you through the process of patching SQL Server 2022. Every database server needs to be patched. This includes Windows operating system patches and SQL Server database patches. And the patching cadence involves, a monthly review of updates, often aligned with Microsoft Patch Tuesday. And this is where Microsoft releases their critical security patches, which you need to deploy in your environment within 1 to 2 weeks of their release. And these patches often address various issues. They could be addressing security or fixing some bugs and stuff like that. And the cadence is going to be based on, it's going to be specific to each and every environment, and how to promote all these patches from non-production all the way to production is also going to be based on your patching policy within your specific environment. For this case, this is going to be just a demonstration on how patching looks like and what to expect whenever you need to do a SQL Server patching. So for this video, I have downloaded the latest cumulative update for SQL 2022, and I am going to run it as an administrator, and I will use it to patch the SQL 2022 version that currently exists on this box. After which, uh, from here you will be able to know what to expect when you're patching SQL Server database. You will see that pop up on your screen. Go ahead and just run it now. And so now it is kind of extracting the patch before it launches it. So the extract is completed, so we are waiting for the patch GUI to pop up here so that we can begin the process of preparing for the patch. So the patching graphical user interface is launched. I'm going to accept the license, then I'll go to next. We want to patch this instance and everything that pertains to that instance, so you have to select it. If you have more than one instance over here, you will have to select all. Go to next. It's going to check the files in use. You need to let it do that. So the check is complete. Go to next. And now it's ready to apply the patch, so go ahead and click on update, and the patching has begun. So let the patching begin. So we are here, we are completing the update of the patch process. One thing you need to note is that every time you apply these patches, SQL Server is always going to restart, especially that is after SQL Server 2016. These patches would initiate a restart of SQL Server databases. So you want to make sure that you are patching your environment according to a change window, because there may be downtime expected. And also the other thing is, every time a patch has been applied, the SQL Server or the database, the Windows box, is always going to be left in a reboot pending state. So you can see here that it's complete. What we need to do to finish this patching is actually to reboot this box. So there you have it. That's how you patch a SQL Server box. And if you know anybody who is trying to patch a SQL Server box, you must show them this video. If you have any questions, you should leave a comment on the chat section. And if you need further help, do not hesitate to reach out. I can point you in the right direction. Now, patching doesn't have to be graphical user based. Patching can be automated through multiple processes or multiple options. You can write command line scripts that would automatically patch multiple target environments based on how you want to manage it. You can patch using SCCM. Most importantly, it depends on how you want to manage your patch process in your specific environments. Then that would dictate how to effectively manage it. If you have 6,000 SQL Server instances, you cannot be patching them one at a time. You have to have a method, most likely SCCM. Anyways, that's it for this video. Talk to you soon.